Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? Today I'm showing you my everyday morning routine. Now it's 7:30 in the morning. I came to gym to work out. Now I wanted to take a moment to introduce you all to our gym. My gym name is Fit World and it has a wide range of equipment and a group of fitness classes like weekly thrice Zumba session and 2 days yoga class and 1 day HIT program and also personal training services to help you achieve your fitness goals. Whether you are a beginner or experienced means athletes not a matter. Here experienced trainers are there. They will work with you to develop a personalized workout plans that fits your individual needs. This is all about my gym. Now let's go to my favorite Zumba session. Zumba has already started and we are late for class. Come, quick, quick.
Sorry ass DJ. Sorry ass DJ.
In my opinion, a woman is strong enough to dance it out. A woman is strong enough to show emotion. A woman is strong enough to voice her beliefs. A woman is strong enough to own her body. A woman is strong enough to care for others. A woman is strong enough to be a woman. Yes or no? Take care of yourself as a woman. Whether you are a working woman or a homemaker, take some time for workout also. Please watch my remaining Zumba session. At the end of my video, some fun moments also there. Please watch till the end. If you like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Here I want to say thank you to my Zumba instructor on behalf of all my Zumba mates. Your dedication and passion about your work really inspiring us. And thank you so much, sir. If anyone interested to follow him on Instagram, here I am giving in this video description I am giving his official Instagram page link, and also I am giving this Fit World Gym official Instagram page link also. Once go and watch it.
¿Qué es lo que tú quieres? ¿Reggaetón? ¡Toma! Toma reggaetón, bienvenida a mi rumba, zumba.
Papi, vamos a la rumba.
Toma reggaetón, bienvenida a mi rumba, zumba.
Papi, vamos a la rumba.
Toma, toma, toma.
Hello everyone, this is Tushar. I am Zumba instructor. Yes, Zumba is really great music exercise, music therapy. सबने करना चाहिए. इससे आपकी बॉडी लॉन्जिविटी ज़्यादा रहती है, आपका मेंटल पीस ज़्यादा बढ़ता है एंड यस आप होल डे आप एनर्जाइज रहते हो. सो जुम्बा के ये सारे बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स हैं जो बेनिफिट्स मैं ना भी बताऊँ तो भी वो बेनिफिट्स है. एंड यस thank you so much and please subscribe this channel. This is really amazing. The way she is doing work, it's so amazing. I really inspired by her and that's really amazing.
You need to work out not because you want to look hot or something, but because you want to be fit till the end of your life. Zumba is my passion and I do it because I want to keep the child inside me alive. Because no matter how much you age physically, but if you're mentally young, it will show on your face. Thank you.
Hi, so this is Archana and I have started my Zumba journey from last 1 year. Zumba is my passion from very long time. I'm a housewife and I have left my passion, what I like. मुझे क्या पसंद है वो मैंने सोचना ही छोड़ दिया था. बट लास्ट 1 ईयर से मैंने वापस अपना पैशन सोचा कि मुझे क्या पसंद है. मुझे डांसिंग बहुत पसंद है, मुझे सिंगिंग बहुत पसंद है. मैंने अपना पैशन शुरू किया, मैंने जुम्बा ज्वाइन किया. नाउ दिस इज अ पार्ट ऑफ माई लाइफ. मैं एक भी दिन जुम्बा मिस कर देती हूँ तो इट इज लाइक समथिंग इज मिसिंग इन माई लाइफ. सो प्लीज डू स्टार्ट समथिंग फॉर योर सेल्फ एंड फॉलो योर पैशन एंड डू सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल.
This is all about my daily morning routine. Now I want to share with you all my Zumba experience. So Zumba means it is not all about the weight loss. Actually, it is all about the confidence we need in our life. Happiness, so many shortcuts are there for happiness. I think, in my opinion, Zumba is one of them. Whenever you are doing workout, either workout or Zumba, it is not only changes your body, it changes your mind, your attitude, your mood also. That's it guys. If you really like my video, please do like and subscribe my channel.